Hello, my most glamorous loves. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi, and today we are going to celebrate Chinese New Year, or the Lunar New Year. It's called different places and different things, but right now we're inspired by this poster that I saw. I don't even remember exactly where I saw it. I was just looking at different websites for Chinese New Year stuff, and I saw this really pretty poster, and it had lanterns and dragons and flowers, and I was like, that's what I want. Lanterns and dragons and flowers. Oh my. So that's what we're going to do. We are doing 2 in black, as you saw, and those are going to be chromed out with this really beautiful gold chrome. I just realized I was sort of rocking a little and making a squeaking noise, so I hope that didn't show up on the video. Now, this is my interpretation of the lanterns, okay? We're going to just imagine as you're slowly meandering down a street in China somewhere where they're celebrating, and the lanterns are hanging from all the shops and buildings, and it's just like a meandering, almost dragony shape of its own, right? And so that's what I'm representing here, just like a far off sort of vision of all the lanterns. And I put gold in the background because most of the lanterns I saw were red and gold, and so I wanted to represent that feeling of gold in there, so it's just sort of shining from behind. And I haven't cured it yet. But we're going to now. And then after I start this flower, we're going to finish that. We've got one more tiny step for that nail. There's actually 2 of the ones with the representation of the lanterns. Sorry, brain fart. This one is the flowers. We're going to only do one nail with the flowers. And I am doing my best to emulate the flower I remember from that poster. It was a 2-layered, 2 different colors, like a teal and a red, just like this. And I think I added a few details that the other ones didn't have, but that's okay, because, you know, I like to make it my own. You should always be inspired by the artwork you see, and if you want to, like, just try to do a full recreation to test your skills and to take yourself into a new artistic level, that's awesome. I do that all the time. I also think there's a lot of value in trying to put your own flair on it, because that way you're not just copying someone's work, you're interpreting it. And that seems more fun to me. So now, while we're curing that flower, we're going to go ahead and come in with this really light colored orange. Well, actually, it's like a medium orange. It's a brighter color than the red. So it's giving that sense of the candles inside the lantern. Let's go ahead and add another flower to this. There was enough room to go ahead and put it right in the middle, but I decided off to the side, gave it a little more flair, so that's what I'm doing. We're just coming in and making the red part of the flower. Then I'm going to cure again. I had a wonderful time making this set. The evening that I did this set, I had intended to just work on some shorts. But then I started thinking, Chinese New Year's coming up, we should look for some inspiration. And I started looking up, you know, Chinese New Year for this year and what the celebrations were looking like. And I got so inspired. I'm like, we'll do shorts later. I'm going to make this set right now. And I really enjoyed myself making it. It was super fun. I found a lot of creativity in it, and just a lot to stretch my muscles, because there's stickers on this, there's hand painting on this, there's chrome on this. I had a great time making this set, is all I'm trying to say. It was really super fun, and I love how the flowers came out. The dragons make me want to wear dragons, because they are just so fierce and awesome and protective, right? And I have really been getting into lately all of the tarot and all of the magical things in the universe that you can explore. So the dragons just give me a lot of inspiration. I've always liked dragons, but right now I'm just really feeling their protective energy. And I feel like maybe I need to wear some dragons soon. I don't know. Maybe on my toes. Maybe on my little tootsies. Because I have ideas for my next 2 sets on my hands, so I don't think it's going to be soon. It's so hard to choose sometimes, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section. Do you struggle sometimes with what your sets are going to be because you're just so jumbled full of ideas and you want to do them all at one time? Sometimes it's kind of hard, right? So what I'm doing here is just add in some accents, some extra colors and just an extra flair. And we're going to do the same thing on both the flowers. And then we're going to get to those dragons. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for you to see them. You've seen, I have stickers of dragons, so you've seen them on the channel before, but I'm picking these 2 specifically for this set because of the Chinese New Year, and I think that they really do represent that very well. So we're going to get to those in a second. So I love that these teal nails, the one with the flowers here, they have 3 different colors of teal. I'm a big fan of teal. It's one of my favorites. Honestly, I like all the colors. My absolute favorite is purple, but I also really love orange and gray. Those are just so pretty. And teal always. Teal with purple, teal with red, teal with pink. I'll put teal with almost anything. It's just such a pretty color and it's so rich. Just so rich. Okay, we are finished up with that beautiful flower. Now we're going to peel the sticker off carefully. And if you don't peel them carefully, they do rip. So you want to really be careful. And I'm going to use one of my silicone tools to just press that down and make sure we don't have any lumps or bumps or any air bubbles in there. We don't want any of that. And I know it is difficult to see the sticker. I think the pictures came out good, so you're going to see the stickers really good there. And I did adjust the color here in just a second. Here we go. So you should be able to see them somewhat. The pictures show the dragons better. If I had chosen a different color of dragon, they would have shown up better, but I didn't. Guys, let me know what you think of this set in the comment section below. See, there you go. You can see it much better. I love them. So you let me know what you think. We're going to see you in the next video. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.